What is up? It is me, Bolt, on another video. Today, I wanted to show you something that I made a full functioning rock paper scissors game with BoltBot in Discord. So let's pop open Discord and basically let's do, I don't know, be slime rock. BoltBot responded with paper, so he wins. And let's say we want to do, I don't know, paper. Rock, we win. So basically, it's based off pure randomness. Oh, that's wrong. That's another. But based off of pure randomness, because see what it really is. It's just three separate commands with different potential outputs. So if we type in rock, Bolt will respond with either rock, paper, or scissors. Alright. Case will respond with paper. Or we say paper, he'll respond with either rock, paper, or scissors. And if we do scissors, he'll respond with rock, paper, or scissors. And basically, that is how that works. So you could copy the code. This is basically how you make a random command. Like, it's just exactly like this one. Like, I made a barter command. So let's try bartering. In Minecraft 1.16, you can barter to get random stuff. We got an iron nugget. That's all we got. It's a bit of pathetic, but okay, let's try again. Barter. Let's try barter. You got some fudge. Okay, cool. Cool. Can light another portal with that, although I'm probably in the nether if I'm bartering in the first place. But, yeah, or I could reactivate my portal that's been disabled by a ghast. Okay, so I forgot to do another thing. It'd be case, rock, paper, rock, paper, scissors, all one word, because the bot likes it that way. We have to do message.channel.send, rock, beats, scissors, scissors, I should say beats paper, oh, yeah, scissors beats paper, and paper beats rock. That's just in case you, forgot, oh, just in case you forgot. This is a full functioning rock, paper, scissors game inside of my Discord, which is really cool because, you know, you could get bored and it just makes Bolt a lot more of a fun bot. Alright, okay, so it's back online. Cool. Be, rock, paper, scissors. All one word. Rock beats paper, rock beats scissors, scissors beats paper, and paper beats rock. That's because rock will crush the scissors will cut the paper, and the paper will cover the rock, even though if the rock's sharp enough, it could put a hole in the paper. But hey, that's how it works. This was a quick one just to let you know about this, so even more reasons to invite BoltBot into your Discord server. Alright? Because there's a full rock, paper, scissors game. And then there's the bartering games. Oh, you can also give someone diamonds. Not real diamonds, alright? This is a disclaimer that it's not actual diamonds, unfortunately. You want to do give diamonds or diamond. It's either it's give diamonds, mention. So if you don't, Bolt will respond with, who would you like to give diamonds to? I'll be like, give diamonds to. Alright, this seems kind of, but you know, like I'm giving diamonds to myself. But I mean, I'll show you what he does. Like, he'll DM me, he'll direct message. Alright. you were gifted 64 diamonds. That's pretty awesome. That's cool. Everyone wants 64 diamonds. Because if you didn't know, in Minecraft, that's the maximum a stack can be. But let's say I want to give it to cement. Cement. Okay, let's act to give diamonds. Yep, diamonds to @cement. I promise you it will go to cement and give them that. This command right here lets you know that you gave them diamonds. Now, a disclaimer about the secret command. Now, it's very secret. I won't tell you what it does. But it's mainly just for a joke and for fun. Don't take it too seriously. It gives you some pretty nice thing. It gives you some pretty nice thing. Not really, because I mean, what I'm trying to get what I'm trying to say is what the secret command has is way out of my budget list. Alright, cause that's like it's a lot of money. I can't afford it. And mainly because of the whole quarantine and coronavirus, and it's genuinely too expensive. Not too many people can afford it. And I'm one of those people who can't. Hopefully in the future I become one of those who can. And so if you do enjoy that video, please smash that like button and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace.